If you have a series of tasks that have to be completed in a specific order, Readiness Manager allows you to set tasks to be dependent on one another. This video is going to walk you through how to set them up. To access your Readiness Manager tasks, go to sysconfig, Property, and the Readiness Tasks tab. Be sure that all the tasks in the chain you are creating have already been set up and assigned to the correct properties. All tasks need to be created as independent tasks and then connected together. For our example, we are going to tie together the tasks of Hot Tub Clean, Departure Clean 2, and Inspection. We will first need to select the last task that will be completed in our chain. So for our example, we want the Hot Tub Clean to be done first, then the Departure Clean 2, and then the Inspection. So we will click on Inspection and click the Edit Task button. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a list of the other tasks that have been created. We will select the task that has to be completed before the inspection can be completed. In our example, we would select Departure Clean 2 and then click the right arrow. This is telling the system that completing the inspection task depends on the Departure Clean 2 task being completed first. We'll click the Save Task button and return back to our list of tasks. In our scenario, before the Departure Clean 2 task can be completed, the Hot Tub Clean task has to be completed first. So we will now select the Departure Clean 2 task and click the Edit Task button. We'll scroll down to the bottom, and under Available Options, we'll select Hot Tub Clean and the right arrow. Again, this is telling the system that before the Departure Clean 2 task can be completed, the Hot Tub Clean task must be completed first. So we'll click Save. If it didn't matter what order the Departure Clean 2 task and the Hot Tub Clean task were completed, but both had to be completed before the inspection could be completed, both of those tasks could be assigned to the inspection task as dependents, and they could actually be worked in conjunction with each other. As it is set up now, before anything else can be done, the Hot Tub Clean has to be completed. If a task is part of a chain of tasks, like our example, all three tasks will show up on the Readiness Manager grid. Here you can see we have the Departure Clean 2, Hot Tub Clean, and Inspection, all three showing on our Readiness Manager grid. When we click on the eye, we see a list of all of the tasks that are assigned to reservation 1187. For the tasks that are dependent on each other, you see the dependency listed. So for the Departure Clean 2 task, it's dependent on the Hot Tub Clean task first being completed. If you scroll down, you will also see the Inspection task listed, and that's dependent upon the Departure Clean 2 task being completed. After the last task in this chain of tasks has been completed, the housekeeping status will be updated to the clean status. If you have any questions about dependencies, please reach out to the help desk by entering a ticket or emailing us at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.